Aloha! Sushi restaurant, 100% plant-based on Oahu for this beautiful woman's birthday. Celebrating with also Daddy Sam, the magic man, and brother Shazi, wonderful yoga teacher. And we're gonna probably try the entire menu tonight, so just be prepared. First, we warmed up our palate with miso soup. Then we started with the sunset roll and a beet salad. The sunset roll was one of my favorites, featuring spicy tofu, avocado, cucumber, seaweed pearls, and we toasted it over the open fire flame. The beet salad was also delicious, with mixed greens, roasted golden and red beets, roasted cauliflower, sliced orange, roasted almond, and a vinaigrette salad dressing. The next dish to come to the table was the Brussels sprouts. It was topped with an agave mustard and wasabi aioli. It was a little too much oil, but very delicious. The other appetizer we ordered was the Shizin Shiitake. This was also one of my favorites, with fresh shiitake mushrooms stuffed with shredded tofu and matcha salt. The next roll we had was the eva, which was a matcha salt seasoned enoki tempura with avocado, sliced lemon, smoked bee aioli with yuzu seaweed pearls, and truffle salt. Following the eva was the wedge. The wedge was amazing. It was a tempura roll with spicy tofu, scallions, sashimi, togarashi, sesame, spicy aioli, and a sweet shoyu. The last roll we had was a manila dune, a pumpkin tempura, spiced burdock, shredded tofu, avocado crema, spicy chili, topped with rincon chips. We didn't have much room left in our stomachs, but we figured we had to try the gyoza. It was good, but next time I would prefer just to order another sushi roll. Last but not least, we finished with the specialty dessert for the birthday girl, which was a papaya cake typed with 2 different types of ice cream, blueberries, strawberries, and more. This was incredible and a great way to finish our Japanese feast. Overall, I highly recommend Tane on Oahu. The people were friendly and the food was incredible. We can't wait to go back. Until next time, wishing you and your family a healthy, happy life. Aloha.